Hello and welcome back to Traventurre. So this is Pranjal again, and today we are at a place called Kumizhi.
Kumizhi.
He will pronunciate
Kumizhi. Yeah.
It's Kumizhi. Yes. So I was reading it Kumizhi, but it's Kumizhi.
That's a
Totally Tamil word. So it's almost 20 kilometers from 20 kilometers from Chennai, from the Chennai airport, and it have a lake, very good lake. We are going to have a good drone shots here, and I don't know why my GoPro is dead today, so I'm not going to get GoPro shots. I'm recording on my phone.
Yeah, it's a village. It's a small village below the mountains here, behind the Traventurre mountains.
So as you can see, we have a beautiful freshwater lake here. There is small this rock piece here, and then we have mountains. So I hope I can get good drone shots. And there are all these beautiful view here. But it's really good place, peaceful, away from the city traffic and noise.